believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. I avoid looking forward or backward and try to keep looking upward. Charlotte Bronte. I hated every minute of training, but I said don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. Muhammad Ali. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising up every time we fail. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Every worthy act is difficult. Ascent is always difficult. Descent is easy and often slippery. Mahatma Gandhi. It is by going down into the abyss that we recover the treasures of life. Where you stumble, there lies your treasure. Joseph Campbell. The great thing in this world is not so much where you stand as what direction you are moving. Oliver Wendell Holmes. I've been absolutely terrified every moment of my life, and I've never let it keep me from doing a single thing I wanted to do. Georgia O'Keeffe. If you accept the expectations of others, especially negative ones, then you never will change the outcome. Michael Jordan. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible. Audrey Hepburn. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Ralph Waldo Emerson. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. Jimmy Dean. I dwell in possibility. Emily Dickinson. Don't let the past steal your present. Terry Gillimitz. Addiction begins with the hope that something out there can instantly fill up the emptiness inside. Gene Kilborn. Hope is a good thing, maybe even the best of things, and good things never die. Stephen King. The only journey is the one within. Rainer Maria Rilke. Every experience in your life is being orchestrated to teach you something you need to know to move forward. Brian Tracy.